Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about problems on distance between 2 points. Here, very short answer type questions. The first question, find the distance between the points. Sub problem, first problem, 8, 9 and -7, 4. Second question, 0, 0 and -4, 3. First one. Here, first point, let A equal to 8, 9. B equal to -7, 4. This is coordinate x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Here the distance between 2 points. Distance between AB. Distance between AB. Distance between AB. Formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. To apply the values, x2 -7 -8 x1 whole square plus y2 4 y1 9 4 minus 9 whole square -7 -8 -15 whole square 4 minus 9 -5 whole square -15 whole square 15 15s 225 5 square -5 whole square 25 225 plus 25 250 is the here 25 into 10 5 root 10 units. This is the answer for first question. Root 25 into 10 5 root 10 units. In second question, 0, 0 origin. Let O equal to 0, 0 and capital A equal to -4, 3. Here x, y, xy. Distance between OA. Distance between OA. Here one formula, if O equal to 0, 0 and P equal to x, y, then distance between OP root of x square plus y square. Here x value square root of x is equal to -4 whole square 16, y equal to 3 square 9, 16 plus 9 25, the root 25 value is 5 units. Question number 2, first one, find the value of A if the distance between the points A, 2 small letter, 3, 4 is 2 root 2. Here let A equal to capital A equal to A, 2, the coordinates x1, y1, B equal to 3, 4, the coordinate x2, y2. Here the distance between AB equal to 2 root 2. AB equal to 2 root 2. If AB equal to 2 root 2, find the value of A. Here the formula for distance between 2 points, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. To apply the formula, root of x2 3 minus x1 a 3 minus a whole square, y2 4 y1 2 4 minus 2 whole square equal to 2 root 2. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. The root is get cancelled. 3 minus a whole square. Here 4 minus 2 square 4. 4 minus 2 value equal to 2 square value 4 equal to 2 root 2 whole square. 2 root 2 whole square. 2 square 4, root 2 whole square 2. 4 into 2 8. The value equal to 8. 3 minus a whole square equal to 8 minus 4. 3 minus a whole square equal to 8 minus 4, 4. 3 minus a is equal to root 4. Root 4 value equal to plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2. Case 1. Here two cases to find the a value. 3 minus a equal to plus 2. A equal to 3 minus 2. The value is 1. Case 2. Case 2. 3 minus a equal to minus 2. If the terms change in right to and left, minus sign is change positive, plus sign change negative. Here a equal to 3 plus 2, 5. The value of a is equal to 1 or 5. This is the answer. Second one, find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 7, 6 and minus 3, 4. Let point on x-axis, let P is equal to point on x-axis. In x-axis, y coordinate is 0. The point is x, 0. Let P equal to point on x-axis, the coordinate x, 0. Let first point, let A equal to 7, 6, B equal to minus 3, 4. Here the distance from the point on x-axis P, the distance from PA is equal to the distance from PB. Here given condition PA equal to PB. Distance between 2 points, observe the formula. Here square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. To observe these two conditions, difference of x coordinate whole square plus difference of y coordinate whole square. In PA and PB, the square that the root is cancelled, squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, PA square equal to PB square. Then apply the formula. If the distance between PA, here square, the root is cancelled, the distance between PA, difference of x coordinate whole square, x minus 7 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square. 0 minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 whole square 36. Next PB square, P to B, x minus of minus 3 plus 3, x plus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 4, 0 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 whole square 16. Here a minus b whole square expansion, a square x square, b square 7 square 49, 2ab minus 2ab minus 14x, 2 7s 14, 14x plus 36, x plus 3 whole square, x square plus 3 square 9 plus 2ab, 2 into 3 6x, 6x plus 16. Here x square get cancelled. 49 plus 36, 9 6 15, 4 3 7 85, 85 minus 14x, 9 plus 16, 25 plus 6x, minus 14x minus 6x, 25 minus 85. Here minus 14x minus 6x minus 20x is equal to minus 85 plus 25. 0, minus 8 to minus 60, minus 60. Here minus minus get cancelled. X is equal to 60 by 20. 21 so 23. X equal to 3. X equal to 3. Then the point on x-axis is P. P equal to x comma 0. That is 3 comma 0. This is the answer. Next, short answer type questions. First one. Sub problem, show that the points 0 comma minus 2, minus 1 comma 1, minus 2 comma 4 are collinear. Let A equal to 0 comma minus 2, B equal to minus 1 comma 1, C equal to minus 2 comma 4. Here to find the distances AB, comma BC and AC. AB, distance between AB, square root of difference of x coordinate whole square. 0 minus of minus 1 plus 1. 0 plus 1 whole square, 1 square 1. Plus difference of y coordinates. Minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1. Minus 3 whole square, 9. 1 plus 9, 10. Root 10. Next to find distance between BC, difference of x coordinate whole square, minus 1, here minus of minus 2 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2, 1 square, 1, 1 minus 4, minus 3 whole square, 9, root 10, 1 plus 9, root 10, and AC equal to difference of x coordinate whole square, 0 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 0 plus 2 whole square, 2 square 4, minus 2 minus 4, minus 6 whole square 36, 36 plus 4, 40, root 40. Here root 44 into 10, 2 root 10. In collinear one condition, sum of two sides equal to third side. The points are collinear. Here AB plus BC is equal to AC. AB value is root 10. BC value is root 10 equal to AC value is 2 root 10. Here root 10 plus root 10. 2 root 10 is equal to 2 root 10. Then the points, therefore, A comma B comma C are collinear. Subproblem second question. Show that the points 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6, 2 plus root 3 comma 5 form an equilateral triangle. First point, let A equal to 2 comma 4. Second point, B equal to 2 comma 6. Third point, C equal to 2 plus root 3 comma 5. This triangle ABC prove that an equilateral triangle. Here the three sides are equal. To prove that three sides are equal, first to find distance between AB, square root of difference of x coordinate whole square, 2 minus 2, 0, 0 whole square, 0. 4 minus 6, minus 2 whole square, 4. 0 plus 4, root 4 value is 2. Next to find BC, here square root of 2 minus of 2 plus root 3. Here multiply with minus 2 minus root 3 whole square. Next 6 minus 5, 1 square 1 plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Minus root 3 whole square. Minus root 3 whole square is 3. 3 plus 1 root 4. Root 4 value is 2. Next to find AC. AC distance between 2 points. Difference of x coordinates 2 minus of 2 plus root 3 multiply with minus 2 minus root 3 whole square. Here in y coordinate 4 minus 5, 4 minus 5 minus 1, minus 1 whole square 1. Here plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Minus root 3 whole square 3 plus 1 root 4. Root 4 value is 2. Here the distance AB 2 units, BC 2 units and AC 2 units. Three sides equal, AB equal to BC equal to AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is an equilateral. Triangle ABC is an equilateral. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Third subproblem. Show that the points 4, 4, 3, 5, minus 1, minus 1 form a right angled triangle. Here first point, let A equal to 4, 4, B equal to 3, 5 and C equal to minus 1, minus 1. To prove that the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, first to find the distances AB. Square root of difference of x coordinates 4 minus 3 1 square 1 plus 4 minus 5 minus 1 whole square 1 plus 1 root 2. Next to find BC. Next to find BC. 3 minus of minus 1 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 square 16. 5 minus of minus 1 plus 1 5 plus 1 6 square 36. 16 plus 36 6 12 3 4 5 52 root 52. Next to find AC. AC here 4 minus of minus 1 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 25 plus 4 minus of minus 1 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 25 25 plus 25 50 root 50. In these three sides AB, BC, AC, BC is the longest. This is the hypotenuse. To check Pythagoras theorem, here BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square. BC square root 52. Root 52 whole square root is cancelled 52. AB, here AB equal to root 2. Root 2 whole square root is cancelled 2 plus AC. AC is root 50. Root 50 whole square root is cancelled 50. 52 is equal to 2 plus 50 52. 52 is equal to 52. Here the distances obey the Pythagoras theorem. Then triangle ABC, therefore triangle ABC is right angled. Fourth question. Show that the points minus 2, 5, 3, minus 4, 7, 10 form a right angled isosceles triangle. Here first point, let A equal to minus 2, 5, B equal to 3, minus 4, C equal to 7, 10. To find distance between AB distance, square root of difference of x coordinate whole square, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5 whole square 25, plus 5 minus of minus 4, plus 4, 5 plus 4 9 square 81. 25 plus 81, here 5 1 6 5 plus 1 6 2 plus 8 10 106 root 106. Next to find BC. 3 minus 7 minus 4 whole square 16, minus 4 minus 10 minus 14 whole square, minus 14 whole square. 4 minus in square, negative value is positive. 14 into 14, 14 4s 56, 5 14 ones 14 14 plus 5 19 196 196 plus 16 6 6 12 9 10 11 9 10 11 2 12 root 2 12. Next to find distance AC distance. This is distance AC. Minus 2 minus 7 minus 9 whole square 81 5 minus 10 minus 5 whole square 25 81 plus 25 root 106. Here two sides equal AB equal to AC. If two sides equal, then the triangle is isosceles. Here to prove that right angled isosceles, right angled condition is hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Here the longest length is BC. BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Here BC value root 212. In a square the root is cancelled 212. AB equal to root 106. AB square the root is cancelled 106. AC value root 106. In a square the root is cancelled 106. 212 is equal to 106 plus 106 to 212. Here two sides equal and obey the Pythagoras theorem property. Then triangle ABC is right angled isosceles triangle. If two sides equal, isosceles. If Pythagoras theorem is satisfied, then the triangle is right angle. Here two conditions are satisfied, then the triangle ABC is a right angled isosceles triangle. Okay, if you like this video, please share and subscribe. In this video, discuss about distance between 2 points problems and nature of triangles. Next video, problems on quadrilateral section formula. If you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section.